everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite recipes that is very simple but very delicious. So let's do this. You want to start out with some bread. I like to use ciabatta baguettes. I don't know. But yeah, that kind of bread is my favorite. And you want to slice it diagonally like that. And then you want to sprinkle some good oil onto this. This oil is very delicious. I got it as a gift. And then you want to make sure that you press the oil into the bread a little bit and distribute it. You want to heat up your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the bread for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you want to go ahead and cut open your avocado, and then you want to slice it up into thin slices. You also want to go ahead and wash some tomatoes and cut them down into very small pieces. When the bread is done, you want to take it out of the oven and you want to place the avocado slices on top of the bread. I like using a spoon to get it out, it's just the easiest way for me. Next up, you want to use some kind of seasoning, some kind of spices to give it a little bit more taste. And then you want to put the tomatoes on top. You can also use some mozzarella cheese on top of that. That tastes very good as well. But for me as a single person, it would be a little bit too much with the cheese. So I decided to go without it. So yeah, it's very delicious, very quick to make, and it has some nice veggies in there. I hope you give it a try and I will talk to you soon. Bye!